Welcome back to MarineMax. My name is Leo Johnson, and today I have a new model from Harris Pontoons to show you. This is a 2026 Harris Sunliner 230. This is a all-new model for this year, freshly redesigned. This one finished in the midnight blue with the titanium accent. We've got the powered Bimini up top with the accent lighting in it. You'll notice this boat's got RGBs throughout and is an all-new layout up top and inside. Fresh redesign for this year. We're excited to have this boat in stock. Let's climb aboard and check it out. Starting out on the transom of this boat, we've got a few familiar favorite items here, including a 200 horsepower V6 from Mercury. Right back here, great power package for this boat. Right in front of that, we're gonna have a ski tow bar here that's rated for 1,000 pounds and tube rated as well. Got a Lillipad Easy Step Ladder here with the leash here and the quick release connector. And like all Harris pontoons, we've also got these rear fenders equipped on this boat. You can put your fenders in here, and you've also got a safety chain that goes across and allows you to ride rear facing while you're underway. These are the last things carried over from the 2025 model year. Everything that we'll see going forward is going to be all new for this new 2026 boat. Starting with our sun lounger. Right here, we've got a very familiar setup here with a multi-position rear facing lounger. New for 2026, you can flip this up with a pedestal here and allows you to use it as a forward-facing seat. Can be stowed away super easily. Great cup holders on here, great storage. Another new feature for 2026 is going to be the Wet Sounds audio. This is an awesome stereo for this boat. You've got a remote back here, 2 speakers on the transom for those days out at the sandbar, and plenty more throughout the interior of the boat. You'll see from the cup holders here and the exterior pictures, this boat has a full RGB lighting package all throughout, interior and exterior, that can be customized right here from your helm chair. Up at the helm, this is an all-new helm for this boat. You've got the raised helm platform here. Over to your port side, you've got your Wet Sounds stereo head unit. You've got a Garmin NSX series screen up here in the middle, as well as your tilt-based steering wheel. You've got a wireless phone charger for your captain right here. Great little space to put your phone, and then some controls for your lights, your horn, things like that. Mercury digital throttle and shift for your 200 horsepower. It's a great way to control your motor. Coming further forward, this boat is in the SLDH layout. That means you're gonna have 2 captain's chairs here for both your captain and your co-captain. Both swivel slide and recline and have these nice armrests. Your co-captain's gonna have a dedicated area here for some storage as well as a cup holder. It's also got a speaker there. And another new feature for the 2026 model year is this redesigned storage station here. You've got a top glove box style storage, nice fold down here for things like your owner's pack. And then my favorite feature, drawer right in here, as well as some dedicated shoe storage up underneath your drawer there. Like all Harris pontoons, this boat is equipped with a center ski locker, very large setup in here. Great place for your cover, water skis, tubes, things like that. Coming forward, you've got flip down armrests on both sides here that can be stowed away when not in use. Great storage underneath these seats. 3 cup holders on each side for your forward passengers, as well as some storage under these front seats. And new for 2026, the forward seat backs also have some storage in here. Great place for your anchor, dock lines, fenders, things like that. It's been a quick video overview of this all-new 2026 Harris Sunliner 230. We're excited to have this boat in stock, and we've got several more on the way. Give us a call, check us out at MarineMax.com, or stop by today for more info. Thanks for watching.